You may have heard yesterday that interest rates took a dive into the deep end, and buyers who did not previously lock in their interest rate are now being quoted at or above 7%. Today, I'm going to talk to you about an option that allows you to buy down your interest rate to make your mortgage more affordable. Today is Tuesday, September 27, 2022. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage-related topics. Today's topic is the seller-paid interest rate buydown. So you may already know that lenders allow sellers to credit the buyer at closing with what we call a seller concession. And this is used to fund some of the buyer's closing costs. What you may not know is that seller's concessions can also be used to pay mortgage points and buy down the interest rate. Now, if you don't know what points are, I did a video on that several months back. So that is on my YouTube and you can go watch that. But for a quick mini refresher, every 1 point is equal to 1% of the buyer's mortgage loan. So let's say you're borrowing $100,000, 1% of that, or 1 point, is going to be equal to $1,000. Now, for whatever situation you're in, at whatever your mortgage loan is going to be, you can change those figures, or you can just ask myself or your loan officer to assist you with that. Now, in a typical seller's market with multiple offers on homes, asking for seller concessions is probably not the best idea. But we are in a changing market where interest rates are significantly affecting buyers' affordability. And what that means is that we have less mortgage applications, which means we have less buyers on the market, which means we have less people to make offers on homes. So sellers are in a situation where they're not even seeing the type of offers that they want for their own homes. So in this situation, everybody can win, because instead of a seller lowering their sales price by $5,000 to $25,000 to find a new market of buyers, you can actually just offer your current buyers an interest rate buy down, and that will allow them to make it more affordable, which allows everyone to win because the seller makes more at the end of the day. So the whole point of the seller paid rate buy down is to save everyone money. The buyer is going to save money by getting a much lower interest rate, which is going to significantly decrease their monthly mortgage payment. And instead of the seller decreasing their sales price by tens of thousands of dollars, they can just give the buyer a couple $1,000s to buy down that rate. And now the seller walks away with more net proceeds. For a deeper understanding of this, I am totally available to explain. But in this compromise, everyone wins, because when the buyer and seller are happy, we as professionals know that we have done our job correctly. And we're not just here to, open doors or give you a pre-approval, but we are here to provide solutions in times where you might not even know that there are solutions. So please reach out to me if you want to dive deeper into the seller paid interest rate buy down. And if you want to speak to a mortgage loan officer who can talk to you about what that would look like for you, please contact me and I will connect you with someone who can help. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tuesday Talk. I hope you guys enjoy this beautiful sunny fall day, and I will see you next week.